week on Tech Check, NVIDIA.
Tech heads will be tuning in around the world. Apparently 300,000 people.
Just 16 minutes ago, NVIDIA unveiled a new computer so powerful it's turning heads. It uses something called ray tracing, making it possible to handle light and shadows in seconds, a task that used to take hours. This breakthrough is not just exciting, it's a bit alarming. With this power come big worries. How do we make sure these powerful tools are used safely? Let's explore these urgent questions and uncover what this breakthrough really means for our future. Beyond smart, the brave new world of intelligent technology. Think about ray tracing, a technique that mimics how light interacts with objects. This has always been a tough challenge in computer graphics. A few years ago, rendering a detailed scene could take hours. Now it takes just a fraction of that time. This leap in capability is more than just impressive, it's transformative. It makes us both excited and nervous about what the future holds for humans working alongside ever smarter AI. And there's more to think about. The ethical implications of AI in advanced graphics are huge. How do we ensure these technologies are used responsibly? Can we trust them to make decisions that affect our lives? These are the questions that need answers as we move forward. Using generative AI, NVIDIA is close to turning still images into lively, moving avatars that can mimic human expressions and movements perfectly. This means virtual meetings could feel much more real with avatars that show your gestures and facial expressions accurately. Imagine playing a video game that feels as real as the outside world, or attending a meeting with avatars that capture every little expression of your colleagues. But that's not all. Architects and designers could create detailed 3D models instantly, changing the face of design. The film industry could produce movies without expensive special effects or long rendering times. This increase in processing power could also benefit many other fields that rely on heavy data processing, opening up new possibilities in various industries. And this is just the start of how NVIDIA's technology is set to change our digital and real-life experiences, making them more connected than ever before. But that's not the most amazing part. NVIDIA has gone beyond just making talking digital entities. They've created characters with rich and engaging backstories. Imagine talking to a digital chef who can tell you all about the history of their ramen shop, or a video game character who shares stories of their adventures. This level of interaction means that digital experiences could soon be as rich and immersive as real life. We could learn, entertain ourselves, and explore new ideas in ways we never imagined. NVIDIA's technology is set to make digital interactions more dynamic and lifelike than ever before. This is exciting news for the gaming world. NVIDIA sees a future where these AI characters can learn about different topics and become experts. You can change how they look and act, making each character unique and adding a personal touch to every game. These AI characters aren't just for fun. They create an experience that feels like talking to a real human. NVIDIA believes this is just the start. They think this technology will change how we use software and interact with digital tools in the future. Imagine not just games, but all sorts of applications where AI can provide help and interact with us. This could change how we experience digital worlds and make them more personal and interactive. But this isn't the only exciting part. NVIDIA's vision goes beyond gaming. They see this AI changing software development and user interfaces. This means the way we interact with all kinds of digital platforms could become more interactive and customized. This technology could lead to big changes in how we use and think about digital environments. And there's more. As NVIDIA continues to develop this technology, we could see even more advanced and lifelike AI characters in many areas, not just gaming. This is a big step toward creating digital experiences that are as engaging and personalized as possible. The possibilities are endless, and it's just the beginning. Today's programmers do more than just coding. They are now working closely with huge AI systems. NVIDIA compares this new trend to industrial factories. But unlike traditional factories that build cars with the help of mechanical robots and conveyor belts, NVIDIA envisions a future dominated by AI factories. These are not the usual factories we imagine. Instead, think of large data centers filled with powerful computers, all working to create and run AI systems. NVIDIA's view, every major company worldwide will use these AI factories to develop and improve their smart technologies. Right now, human creativity drives the creation of new ideas. But NVIDIA believes that in the future, AI will take on a big part of this creative work. Each business might have its own AI center, constantly producing new AI-driven products and solutions. But this isn't the most surprising part. NVIDIA is committed to this vision and believes that upcoming AI advancements will not only change industries, but also redefine how we see and use technology today. With these AI factories, NVIDIA sees a future where the line between human creativity and artificial intelligence becomes less clear, leading to an era of incredible innovation and teamwork between humans and AI. As we move further into the digital age, the way we interact with the world is changing a lot, thanks to fast improvements in artificial intelligence, AI. These AI technologies are getting smarter every day, able to handle more and more complex tasks. This makes our daily use of technology easier, more natural, and more a part of our lives. But it's not entirely clear how quickly and smoothly these advancements will spread across different areas. Even though the technology is very advanced, there are still some potential challenges to making these innovations widely and seamlessly used. Let's see how Toronto's experts are changing AI, pioneering the AI frontier. During their interesting presentation, the speakers used eye-catching visuals to grab the audience's attention right away. They highlighted the important contributions of researchers from the University of Toronto, Alex Krzyzewski, Ilya Sutskever, and Jeffrey Hinton. These pioneers have made big advances in AI and deep learning. Their work is setting the stage for the future of how businesses will run and how we will interact with games and other digital systems. Their discoveries suggest a future where technology fits more naturally with human behavior, making it easier to use these new systems. However, this also brings challenges in terms of global acceptance and practical use. The potential for technology to fully blend with our daily lives is huge, but it also makes us wonder if industries are ready to adopt and adapt to these advanced tools. But this wasn't the only challenging part. The real issue lies in how different sectors will adapt to these changes. While the technology is ready, many industries might not be. They need to prepare to use these new tools effectively. The future looks promising with AI making life easier, but the path to getting there involves overcoming these hurdles. Will industries be ready to embrace these sophisticated tools, or will they struggle to keep up with the rapid advancements? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the journey will be interesting to watch. Think about this. You give a simple command, and the AI quickly makes a realistic image or a detailed 3D model of a protein just from your words. This technology can easily change information from one format to another, like turning a flat image into a 3D model, or creating a new video from existing footage. But here's the exciting part. NVIDIA sees this as a game changer for AI development. It opens up new applications that we once thought were impossible. NVIDIA isn't just leading in technology, they are also teaming up with other industry leaders. These partnerships will increase the impact of their innovations, reaching into areas beyond just technology. This collaboration aims to change how we use and benefit from AI in our daily lives. NVIDIA's vision shows a future where AI not only improves current applications, but also creates new possibilities we haven't even imagined yet. Are industries ready to adopt such advanced technology? And what about the ethical issues, especially in sensitive areas like healthcare? NVIDIA's plan suggests a future where AI is as essential to business operations as machinery was during the Industrial Revolution. In this future, AI factories could be as common as any production facility today, constantly creating AI-driven solutions that could change fields from gaming to scientific research. But this raises concerns about jobs being replaced by machines and the difficulties businesses might face while switching to these advanced systems. While NVIDIA's progress is clear, we also need to think about the wider impacts of their vision. The idea of a perfect AI-driven future is attractive. but the reality might be more complex and challenging than NVIDIA suggests. As we stand on the edge of what could be the next big leap in technology, like the major changes in 1964, it's important to look at these advancements with both hope and caution. But remember, the excitement around AI comes with its own set of challenges we must address. IBM introduced the System 360, a computer that changed the world of technology. Shortly after, AT&T revealed their first video phone. This amazing device could shrink video files, send them through phone lines, and play them back on the other end. This method is still the basis for how video calls work today, compressing the video, sending it, and then decompressing it when it's received. Even though internet technology has advanced quickly, and video now makes up 65% of all internet traffic, the basic steps of video communication have stayed the same for over 60 years. But that wasn't the most surprising part. NVIDIA, a company known for shaking things up, asked a big question. What if artificial intelligence could change how we make video calls? Their answer is a future where video calls are not just flat images, but are 3D interactions. They introduced the NVIDIA Maxine 3D platform, powered by the powerful NVIDIA Grace Hopper superchip. This technology doesn't just follow new trends, it aims to create them. It promises to turn simple video calls into 3D experiences using the regular 2D cameras on most smartphones and computers. This means you don't need any extra fancy equipment. And that's not all. With the Grace Hopper superchip, NVIDIA Maxine 3D wants to make every call more engaging and realistic. This could change how we connect with each other across distances, making our interactions feel more lifelike and immersive. With the introduction of Maxine 3D technology, video communications are set to change in a big way. Instead of the flat, two-dimensional screens we are used to, this technology will bring three-dimensional interactions through cloud-based upgrades. This means video calls could soon feel like you're in the same room as the person you're talking to. Imagine being able to change your viewpoint, make real eye contact, or even talk to avatars that can instantly translate languages. While this may sound like something from a sci-fi movie, NVIDIA insists these features are just around the corner. The goal is to make conversations feel more natural and engaging, changing how we connect with friends, family, and colleagues, no matter the distance. Now let's dive into the debates about new technology. The debate over necessary innovation. But not everyone is convinced. Some people wonder if we really need such advanced 3D features for everyday conversations. Critics think this might be a case of technology advancing just because it can, not because it's needed. They worry that the simplicity and charm of regular video chats might get lost in the push for more complex systems. Privacy and authenticity are also big concerns. How comfortable can we be with avatars that look, act, and speak differently than the real people they represent? The idea of a digital persona that can change its behavior and language in real time raises important questions about identity and trust in virtual spaces. NVIDIA says that this new technology won't require new hardware or special software. They claim that our current laptops and smartphones will be able to support these advanced features. However, this raises doubts among tech experts and regular users. Can our everyday devices, which weren't made for intense 3D processing, really handle this without slowing down or causing issues? As we stand on the edge of a potential revolution in digital communication, these questions remind us of the tricky balance between new technology, practical use, and the human aspects of connection and privacy. At the heart of NVIDIA's latest advancements are the Maxine 3D and Grace Hopper technologies. These are designed to make everyday video calls feel like something out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine feeling like you're in the same room with someone, even if they're miles away, all through your smartphone. But beneath this cool idea lie some big practical challenges. The tech industry often gets super excited about new tools, only for that excitement to fade if people don't use them. For NVIDIA's 3D video call technology to really succeed, it needs to go from being an impressive demo to a truly useful tool that changes how we communicate. The big question is, will this technology be as groundbreaking as NVIDIA hopes, or will it just be another tech fad that didn't catch on? But this isn't the only issue. If this 3D technology takes off, it could change much more than just casual chats. It could revolutionize business meetings, medical consultations, and more. Imagine business meetings where it feels like everyone is in the same room, or medical consultations that feel more personal and effective. This isn't just about clearer video calls, it's about using advanced AI in our daily lives while respecting our privacy. However, making this all work smoothly is a tough job. The technology needs to work perfectly across different devices and platforms without making things too complicated or risking our privacy. NVIDIA's vision is bold and their tech is impressive, but turning these tools into everyday essentials will be harder than their hopeful outlook might suggest. The future holds a lot of promise, but there are significant hurdles to overcome to bring this vision to life. But that's not all. The true challenge lies in getting people to adopt and trust this new technology. Even if it works perfectly, convincing people to change their habits and rely on this new system is a whole different story. Can NVIDIA's tech really make that leap? Only time will tell. This new technology uses advanced AI to generate every word spoken during a conversation in real time. The developers say this eliminates the old need for data compression. Their system doesn't just record the conversation, it rebuilds the entire dialogue as it happens. Plus, they've added a real-time translation feature, working like a universal translator during talks. This could change how we communicate with people who speak different languages. NVIDIA isn't stopping there. They want to impact every technology-driven field, from big scientific projects to improving AI interactions, enhancing cloud services, and transforming video and graphic processing. For instance, NVIDIA says their AI enterprise platform can process images 24 times faster than old methods and for much less money. But this isn't the most exciting part. NVIDIA is also working on digital twins, virtual models of real-world objects, which could change how we use technology. Imagine telling a robot what to do, or planning a building through a simulation that shows every step before it happens. NVIDIA believes that creating and testing virtual models before making any physical changes will become normal, reducing mistakes and boosting efficiency in areas like manufacturing and urban planning. As NVIDIA pushes these ideas, both the tech industry and everyday people are trying to see if these ambitious promises are realistic. Changing entire industries with AI and robotics is a huge task. It raises important questions. How will traditional industries change? What happens to jobs when robots take over? NVIDIA believes technology will play a big role in our lives, but this idea has its own risks. For example, how reliable is this technology in critical situations? What happens if something goes wrong? While these technological advances are exciting, it's important to think about the bigger picture. We need to make sure that as we move toward this future, we do so with careful planning and safety measures. But that's not the only concern. As we embrace more technology, we must also consider privacy issues. How will all this data be used, and who will have access to it? These are important questions that need answers before we fully dive into a tech-driven world. NVIDIA's vision also involves making technology accessible to everyone, not just the tech-savvy. They aim to create user-friendly devices that even beginners can use. This sounds great, but we need to ensure these devices are truly easy to use and understand. Next, explore NVIDIA's big idea, the Omniverse, the rise of NVIDIA's Omniverse. But the biggest challenge might be the cost. High-tech solutions often come with high price tags. Can everyone afford these advanced technologies? It's essential to make sure these innovations are accessible to people from all walks of life. While NVIDIA's advancements in AI and robotics hold great promise, we must address several critical issues. We need to ensure reliability, privacy, accessibility, and affordability. Only then can we truly embrace this exciting technological future. As we look to the future, it's clear that technology will play a huge role in our everyday lives. But we need to think about how these changes will affect us. Are we ready to live in a world so connected by technology? Or are we about to face new problems that come as quickly as the solutions? It's important to talk about these things now because soon, our digital experiences might be as real as our physical ones. NVIDIA, a leader in this tech revolution, is making robots more lifelike with advanced physics simulation software. This isn't just about making robots look real, it's about making them act real. It's similar to how AI technologies like ChatGPT improve over time. They learn from their experiences through a process called reinforcement learning. But here's the catch. This isn't the hardest part. NVIDIA's big innovation is the Omniverse platform, a virtual world where AI not only exists but evolves. In this space, artificial intelligences are constantly learning and adapting, improving their behaviors in a world that follows the rules of simulated physics. This ongoing cycle of action and learning is powered by NVIDIA's real-time ray tracing technology, which makes every detail, from light to texture, behave just like it does in the real world. This blend of digital and physical realities isn't just useful, it's changing our world in ways we're just starting to understand. Omniverse uses advanced technology and AI to create a platform where designers, engineers, creators, and researchers can build and manipulate virtual worlds. Imagine a place where architects can explore 3D models of buildings before a single brick is laid. Filmmakers can design scenes with lighting and physics so real, it almost seems like reality. At the core of Omniverse is something called the Universal Scene Description, created by Pixar. This allows 3D data to flow smoothly between different software tools. Whether you're using Maya, Blender, or Unreal Engine, you can bring your work into Omniverse easily. This means creators can keep using the tools they prefer. It breaks down barriers in the creative process, allowing collaboration across different fields. But this isn't the most exciting part. One of Omniverse's standout features is the creation of digital twins, virtual copies of real-world systems, from factories to vehicles. These digital twins let engineers run various scenarios, spotting problems before they happen in real life. This could change manufacturing, making it more efficient and cost-effective. Omniverse also has endless possibilities for the arts. Filmmakers can create hyper-realistic settings and characters, cutting down on the need for expensive physical sets and visual effects. Video game developers can build vast, engaging landscapes that raise the standard of visual quality. The control over real-time physics and lighting gives creators more freedom, where the only limit is their imagination. But this isn't the only impressive aspect. Omniverse's real-time collaboration allows multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously, no matter where they are in the world. This means teams can brainstorm and create together in real time, breaking down geographical barriers and speeding up the creative process. Let's talk about the big changes happening in different industries, especially with the use of digital twins and AI in today's manufacturing and design. WPP, a giant in the advertising world, is using Omniverse to create personalized interactive ads. This new way of advertising is moving away from the old one-size-fits-all approach and towards messages that really connect with each viewer. Based in London, England, WPP is the leader in advertising and communications. It's more than just an ad agency. It's a huge company that controls many smaller companies specializing in communications, advertising, public relations, technology, and commerce. Since it started in 1971, WPP has grown massively and is now the biggest advertising company in the world as of 2023. But this wasn't the most impressive part. WPP has a global reach, working with some of the biggest brands around the world. They call themselves a creative transformation company, showing their skill in helping businesses succeed in the fast-changing marketing world. They focus on communications, experiences, commerce, and technology, proving their commitment to staying at the forefront of the digital age. Today, people expect interactions that are not just smooth, but also tailored to what they like and how they behave. WPP knows that customer needs are always changing. They skillfully mix traditional marketing with the latest data and technology. This mix creates exciting customer experiences through interactive online campaigns, smart social media use, and data-driven marketing. Then, let's talk about Omniverse. It's not just about advertising. Omniverse helps people from different industries work together like never before. Teams from around the world can collaborate on complex projects in real time. This means more creativity and innovation. Designers can test ideas in virtual spaces, engineers can try out new equipment, and marketers can make highly personalized ads. But this isn't the only exciting part. NVIDIA has a vision for a future where digital and physical worlds come together seamlessly. Their platform aims to transform workflows, improve efficiency, and enhance interactions in many sectors. Now let's look at the game-changing role of artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics in the workplace. AI is a major disruptor, changing everything from how industries operate to our daily interactions. It changes how we see and engage with ads and completely transforms customer engagement online. Now let's see how NVIDIA and WPP are reshaping ads with AI. NVIDIA and WPP reshape the digital and industrial landscapes. NVIDIA and WPP are leading a big change in digital advertising, creating powerful AI tools that change how brands connect with people. They use NVIDIA's AI and Omniverse platform to quickly make personalized visual content that's very accurate. It all begins with making a perfect digital copy of a product using real-world design data. Designers then use AI tools to create unique virtual scenes in realistic digital settings. These super realistic and scalable visuals are made to grab attention and stand out, potentially changing how we see and interact with ads. But this isn't the most exciting part. NVIDIA also plans to transform factories into high-tech hubs where advanced robots handle operations. These robots, equipped with NVIDIA's powerful chips and software, can understand their surroundings, move around, and complete tasks on their own. A highlight in this robotic revolution is the Isaac AMR program, setting the standard for autonomous robots. These robots, with advanced sensors, navigate confidently and are fully aware of their environment. Everything is tested first in a virtual world called Isaac Sim, where NVIDIA fine-tunes the robot's abilities to ensure they work well in real-world situations. But this isn't the end of the story. The impact of AI and robotics is also clear in logistics, shown by Amazon's use of Kiva systems, now called Amazon Robotics, a leader in warehouse robotics they bought in 2012. These robots, like mobile shelving units, move around the warehouse grid, bringing products directly to workers. This greatly cuts down on travel time in the warehouse, speeding up order processing and packing, and changing how warehouse operations work. Today's busy world, advanced software and robots are making a big difference in business and healthcare. For instance, Amazon uses smart algorithms to manage their delivery routes and fleets. Their robots talk to the central warehouse system to move products quickly and smoothly. This makes their order fulfillment much faster, helping Amazon stay ahead in logistics. Healthcare is also seeing big changes with technology. One great example is the Da Vinci Xi surgical system by Intuitive Surgical. This system helps doctors do complicated surgeries with just small cuts. The robotic arms can move more precisely than human hands, and a 3D camera and tremor filter makes surgeries even more accurate. This not only improves the quality of the surgery, but also leads to better results for patients. But that's not all. In the hospitality industry, robots are making guest experiences better. Hilton's Connie robot in McLean, Virginia is a good example. Created by ZenX Hospitality, Connie gives guests information and delivers room service, helping human staff and enhancing customer service. In Singapore, Ibis Styles hotels are using robots for housekeeping. These robots clean rooms, freeing up human staff for more detailed guest services. Now let's look at aviation. GE Aviation uses Predix, a cloud platform powered by AI and machine learning. This system analyzes data from jet engines to predict when maintenance is needed, reducing downtime and ensuring smooth operations. Meanwhile, in the car industry, companies like Tesla and BMW are leading the way with AI. Tesla uses AI for design and self-driving cars, while BMW uses it for quality control. BMW's use of AI is especially impressive. They use AI for creating new lightweight car parts and for checking paint quality. AI helps find tiny paint flaws, allowing human inspectors to focus on more complex problems. This not only improves the quality of cars, but also makes the inspection process more efficient. But this isn't the end of the story. These advancements show a big shift towards AI-driven innovation, where machines not only help humans, but also bring new levels of efficiency and precision. As these technologies develop, they will keep setting new standards and improving how we work with machines. Macy's is leading the way by using AI-powered recommendation engines in their customer shopping experiences. These smart systems look at a lot of data, like what people bought before, what they looked at online, and their age and location. By studying this information, the AI gives suggestions that match individual tastes, showing products that the shopper might like. It's not just about offering similar items. Macy's AI also adjusts its suggestions based on the season, current fashion trends, and even local weather, making sure the recommendations are timely and relevant. But that's not the only benefit. Macy's also uses AI to make their marketing more precise. By analyzing customer data, they can find different groups within their market and send them highly personalized marketing messages. This approach makes promotions more attractive to customers and improves the overall success of their marketing efforts. On the practical side, Macy's uses AI to change how they manage inventory. The algorithms predict what products will be in demand, helping the store stock the right items at the right time and place. This smart stocking avoids having too much or too little inventory, saving space and resources. Meanwhile, Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, is looking towards a future filled with robotics. He envisions a world where AI not only automates tasks, but also plays a key role in designing and running advanced robotic systems. NVIDIA is actively working towards this future with platforms like Isaac for robotics and Omniverse for simulation. But this vision of a future with AI and robots everywhere has its challenges. There's a growing need to change our educational systems to prepare the next generation to work with intelligent machines. Skills in data analysis, problem solving, and critical thinking will be essential. Also, ethical issues like algorithmic bias, data privacy, and the potential for job loss need careful attention. What do you think about a future dominated by AI and robotics? Could it lead to more harm than good? Comment your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more.